LRT kasi holiday. So, ayun, I decided na i-take na lang tong other route, which is yung sumakay ng carousel and then baba ng Ayala. And then, mag-aangkas na lang ako going to Bikutan. Medyo na-awkward na ako. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog after how many years, especially in public places like this. Kung kailan sobrang boom na yung vlogging. Ngayon naman ako parang na-awkwardan sa sarili ko. But anyway, I'll give it a try still. Okay. Ayan, sige, wait lang. Magbubuk muna ako ng Grab. Ay, ng Grab ng angkas. What is up, guys? So, happy Tuesday. Trying to finish this, commission art for, na kasi siya, for delivery. So, ayun. But unfortunately, hindi maiwasan magkaroon ng error. So, may kailangan akong i-reprint. Good thing I have my own printer. So, yeah, mag-jump na lang ako sa ibang muna. And then, later, saka ko gagawin yung kailangan kong i-reprint. I just need to finish everything. So, ang daming kalat dito. So, hindi ko na ipapakita kasi makalat talaga yung area ko ngayon. Kaya nanonood lang ako ng vlog while working on my business. So, ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan. Natapos ko na yung mga freebies. Actually, this is a photo tile. 3 piraso to. Ipapadala ko sa Cebu. Yes. Actually, one of the largest order sa akin. Kasi, previous, bali second batch na to ng order. Yung first batch was around, ba? Parang around 7 or 8 yata yun. Photo tiles. That was last bare months. Yun. Malaki talaga benta ko pag bare months. Sana every month. So, ayun. Yun lang muna ma-share ko sa inyo. Try ko mag-share ulit mamaya. What's up, guys? So, time check is 6 a.m. na. 10 minutes to 6. Yan. So, kakatapos ko lang magbalot ng ipapadala ko sa Cebu na order sa akin. And then, kakatapos ko lang din mag-edit ng vlog. Ay, vlog ng reels po. Para dun sa, Facebook page ng church namin. And yes, it's the first day of my longest weekend. Yun. So, ayan. Mental health break ko. For 3 days. So, Monday pabalik ko. By tomorrow, babiyahe na ako pa uwi ng Cavite. So, that's all for now. Sorry guys, hindi ako makapag-vlog ng detailed na sobrang detailed na vlog. Kasi unang-una, nothing significant event. Significant. Basta wala naman masyadong ganap na bongga. So, ayun lang. That's the latest update for now. Tulog muna ako. And, bye-bye!